Okay, in this demo we're going to take a look at Amazon Relational Database Service. So as usual, I'm going to sign into my account. And I'm going to go to the RDS tab. Okay, I currently have no running instances. I'm going to go ahead and launch a DB instance. And here is where I get to make some choices. I'm going to choose, in this case, just a small instance. And I'm going to go ahead and let everything default and pretty much just take the minimum here. I'm going to provision a 5 gigabyte database, and I'm going to call it KKDB instance. And I'm going to make my master user that, and assign a password. Okay, I'm going to give it a database. I have really no preference for my availability zone, but if I did, I could choose one here. And we're going to just leave defaults on everything else. Okay, I have the option here in this step to specify some parameters associated with my backups. When is my backup going to run, and how many days am I going to keep the backup for? Again, we're going to just take the defaults here, and I'm going to go ahead and launch the instance. And this will take a few minutes to provision, so we'll just come back and check on it in about 10 or 15 minutes. Okay, our database is provisioned and available. Okay, so now all I need to do here is grab the endpoint. Okay, I should now be able to connect to that instance using the MySQL Workbench or any other client. MySQL is it's a free download from MySQL, and we'll go ahead and fire that up. And I think I should just be able to say here, new connection, and let's call this and put in the host name that I copied to the clipboard, and I'm going to, instead of the username, I'm going to put in my DB administrator's name, and let's see if this works. Yeah, it seems like it's going to connect okay. So let's go ahead and open that connection, and it puts me right into a session where I am now connected to this server, and I'm going to just go ahead and select that database that I created, and we'll go ahead and create a table. Using this graphical tool, call that ID. This is kind of nice. And it ran okay. And when we refresh that, here's my table. Great, so that's pretty good. So now I can let's do something like this. Okay, and then specify which database to use. Let's try this again. Great, so yeah, pretty cool. So this was a demo of how you can use Amazon RDS to provision a MySQL database on Amazon Web Services, and then connect to that database using the MySQL Workbench client.